As promised, this is a tutorial on how I made this beautiful ornament wreath for my family mini sessions. You would need a 16-inch floral wreath, a hot glue gun, some glue sticks, and we can start making the magic happen. Grab your ornaments and find a layout or a pattern that suits your taste or your aesthetic that you're going for. Try your best to do this on a flat surface. I was doing this on the floor so that my niece can easily reach it too. Once you have that pattern figured out, you just start lining it up along the perimeter of the floral wreath. So once you have a foundation, you just go to the second row, find the pattern that suits your palette, and you keep hot gluing it down. Here you can see my niece helping me fan them down to cool down the glue a little faster. And when it comes to how to hang it up on the wall, I just took a handle of a paper shopping bag and I hot glued it to the back. I just used what I had available to me at that time. And this is how the wreath turned out. I am in love with it. My clients were asking me where I bought it, and I was like, no, I made it. So I am totally obsessed with this. I am very proud of myself for doing this. And if you like what I just showed you, like and follow for some more tutorials and DIYs.